For more than 20 years, the BAUER mixed-in-place method has been successfully executed to construct retaining walls for excavation pits, foundation measures, and for flood protection. Of particular interest with this method is that soil is used as aggregate. This means that transports for material supply and disposal of drilling spoil are significantly less than with standard methods. Different mixing tools are used for the mixed-in-place method, depending on the intended use of the MIP elements and on the existing in-situ soil. In most cases, however, the so-called triple auger is utilized, or alternatively the mono or single auger. The rig is positioned at the initial drilling location. The triple auger drills down while adding slurry. Plastic concrete is mixed. The individual components, water and binding agents, as well as bentonite and additives if required, are processed in a batch mixer. As a result of the suitability test which is performed in advance, the exact composition of the slurry, as well as its necessary installation quantity, is decided upon. During the works, representative samples are taken from the fresh trench and tested in a laboratory to verify that the fixed parameters are adhered to. The slurry is added via the central stem of the auger, as well as during the drilling process throughout the complete trench width. After having reached the final depth, the homogeneity process starts. During this process, the direction of rotation of the individual augers is varied. The effect of the augers turning in opposite directions combined with vertical pulling is that the soil slurry becomes thoroughly mixed. The construction parameters important for quality, such as slurry density, drilling depth and slurry addition, are regularly controlled. A measurement data report is issued for each cut. The verticality of the triple auger is documented using the installed measuring system. The analysis consists of 2D or 3D displays for individual cuts or complete wall sections. The homogenization process is carried out until both the installation of the defined slurry quantity and the pulling process are complete. In order to intensify the mixing process, especially when there are cohesive soil layers, the complete triple auger can be moved up and down in the trench. To achieve a continuous wall, the individual cuts are positioned in so-called double backstep sequence. The essential feature here is that the overlapping areas of the primary and secondary trenches are reworked by additional cuts. Only this BAUER patented backstep sequence ensures the construction of a high-quality, continuous wall, even in heterogeneous soil conditions. If the MIP walls have to assume a vertical load-bearing function, reinforcement elements are installed in the still fresh trench. Normally, these are steel sections, but also H-beams, sheet piles or board piles. The BAUER mixed-in-place method allows for high flexibility and low vibration construction under complicated inner-city conditions and during dam rehabilitation. Last but not least, it is a highly productive, resource-conserving and economic technique.